For the longest time, bacteria remained in the spotlight as organisms causing harm and ailments. But not all bacteria are created equal. The human gut is home to more than 1,000 different types of bacteria, both good and bad. In fact, a healthy gut must have a balanced microbiome to function normally. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that maintain or restore that balance. A healthy gut ensures the overall well-being of the human body, and probiotics ensure the digestive system functions the way it should. Probiotics can be consumed through probiotic supplements or fermented foods like yogurt to improve digestion. Pre, pro, and now postbiotics are becoming mainstream health now. Probiotics can include several types of bacteria, but mostly they can be classified into two categories: Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium. Commonly found in yogurt, some of these cheese and other fermented food for the first, and then the second, found in dairy products such as yogurt. These are also available in probiotic supplements to maintain the balance between good and bad bacteria to support a healthy microbiome in the gut. Probiotic supplements are especially beneficial in cases where microbial communities are disturbed due to reasons such as taking antibiotics. Antibiotics kill the good bacteria along with the bad bacteria, thus disturbing the balance of the gut microbiome. As a result, many people suffer from diarrhea as a side effect of antibiotics. Taking probiotics can mitigate the negative effect that antibiotics have on the digestive system. Probiotics are also consumed to deal with other diseases related to the digestive system. They may be beneficial for people who are suffering from irritable bowel syndrome and diarrhea caused by bacterial or viral infections. As mentioned earlier, a healthy gut is essential for overall well-being. This is the reason why catering to the gut often results in providing relief from certain other ailments as well. Probiotic supplements have shown to be useful in managing eczema, supporting vaginal health, and boosting immune function. However, the benefits of probiotics greatly depend on the quality of probiotic supplement. Manufacturing probiotic supplements are not as simple as manufacturing other dietary supplements, and actually require extra care and state-of-the-art equipment and facilities. Unlike most other supplements, probiotic supplement manufacturers require strict, specific conditions in the manufacturing process as well as storage. To offer good quality probiotics, partnering with the right manufacturer is essential. Typically, supplement manufacturing facilities should be bacteria-free and clean. Probiotic manufacturing in these areas comes with the unique challenge of preventing contamination while growing and preserving live bacteria. This requires choosing a manufacturer like BL Biolab that has a manufacturing and testing facility specifically designed to handle the intricacies of probiotic manufacturing. The manufacturing partner must adhere to the FDA guidelines for dietary supplement manufacturing with a strict quality management system in place. The facility must have a well-equipped testing lab to carry out stability testing to determine an accurate best before date. The consequences of choosing an inadequate probiotic manufacturing facility can result in a huge monetary and reputational loss. Another factor to determine the right probiotic manufacturing partner is the available delivery formats. Probiotics can be consumed as capsules, powders, or liquids, or even tablets. Different formulations and formats may require different production capabilities. Essentially, different delivery formats are a matter of personal preference. While capsules are travel-friendly and convenient to store, liquid formats may be easier to some consumers and may come in different varieties of flavors. Because end consumers have their own preferences, it is advisable to work with a partner like BL Biolab that offers probiotic manufacturing in several formats such as capsules, tablets, and powders. BL Biolab also offers probiotics in different package sizes as per the client's needs. Clients can choose one or more formats depending on their target market. So here's the bottom line. Probiotics can be quite tricky to manufacture and test. They require a specialized manufacturing and storage facility to preserve the bacteria in optimal count and condition. In the absence of adequate conditions, probiotics can lose their efficacy and the product can easily become useless for most consumers. Making a wise decision when choosing a probiotic manufacturer partner can result in a hassle-free journey down the lane. Thanks again for listening to the BL Biolab podcast. Please subscribe and follow us on all social media platforms. If you're looking to acquire a quote on a custom or a private label formula, please give us a call at 727-877-9889 or visit us at www.blbiolab.com and fill out the contact form on our website, and we will have a representative reach out to you shortly. Thanks again for listening.